Looking for the best rollator walkers for seniors? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Drive Medical Nitro Euro Style Rollator Walker. This rollator walker is at the very top of this list, and for good reason. From the moment I started using it, I could tell it was in a league of its own. The Nitro's sleek and modern design immediately caught my attention, and its lightweight aluminum frame made maneuvering it feel effortless. One feature that truly impressed me was its large front wheels, which performed exceptionally well on all terrains. I tested it on gravel, grass, and even cracked sidewalks, and it handled everything with ease. Adjusting the handle was quick and simple, ensuring a comfortable fit for users of varying heights. Another standout feature was the one-end folding mechanism. It allowed me to fold the rollator compactly in seconds, making it the easiest model to transport and store. The built-in storage patch was both spacious and discreet, blending seamlessly into the rollator's design. While the Nitro does come with a higher price tag, I believe its superior quality, comfort, and functionality justify the investment. For anyone looking for the ultimate rollator walker, the Drive Medical Nitro is the clear winner. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 best rollator walkers for seniors. By the way, let me know in the comments section which rollator walker is your number 1 choice. Remember, each of these rollators has its strengths and weaknesses while catering to different needs and preferences. From the affordable and simple Vive Mobility rollator to the luxurious and versatile Drive Medical Nitro, there's a rollator for everyone on this list. So whether you're shopping for yourself or a loved one, I hope this video helps you make an informed decision in choosing the perfect rollator walker for your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as we always appreciate that, and for more latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Number 2. Medline Premium Empower Rollator Walker. In the runner-up spot is this premium rollator walker that is all about comfort and convenience. It stood out immediately for its padded seat and backrest, which were far more luxurious than anything else I tested up to this point. Sitting on it felt like a dream, especially during longer outings. I also appreciated the added features such as a cup holder and a generously sized storage bag. These thoughtful touches made it feel like Medline had considered every little detail. The hand grips are treated with antimicrobial material, which gives some peace of mind about hygiene, especially when using the rollator in public spaces. Performance-wise, it handled well on both indoor and outdoor surfaces, though its slightly heavier frame required more effort when lifting it into a car. While its weight might be a drawback for some users, the Medline Premium Empower is perfect for anyone who prioritizes comfort and premium features. Number 3. Hugo Mobility Explore Side Fold Rollator Walker. Taking third place is this stylish and functional rollator walker that left a strong impression on me. I was intrigued by its unique side folding design, which proved to be incredibly practical during my tests. Unlike traditional rollators that fold forward, this one folds sideways, making it much easier to store in tight spaces like a car trunk or closet. During my outdoor tests, the 8" wheels performed admirably on rough surfaces, giving me stability and control. The ergonomic hand grips were a pleasant surprise, as they made pushing the walker more comfortable over longer periods. However, I did notice that the seat felt a bit smaller than expected, which might not suit users who need more space. Despite this, the Hugo Mobility Explorer is a fantastic option for those who want something compact, stylish, and reliable. Number 4. Drive Medical 4-Wheel Rollator with fold-up back support. This rollator walker takes the 4th spot on my list for a good reason. The Drive Medical felt dependable and sturdy from the moment I set it up. Its steel frame gave it a reassuring weight, which made it feel safe and reliable. The fold-up back support was a convenient touch, allowing me to switch between seated and standing use easily. On smooth floors and paved pathways it rolled smoothly, but it wasn't the best performer on rougher outdoor paths. One thing that stood out to me was its versatility. I liked that I could use it both indoors and outdoors without any major adjustments. However, the seat wasn't as comfortable as I'd hoped, especially compared to some of the more luxurious models on this list. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of higher-end rollators, its straightforward functionality and durability make it a good all-round choice. Number 5. Nova Zoom Rollator Walker. This rollator walker was designed for people needing extra comfort and durability. One of the standout features I appreciated was the wide seat, which offers more space than most standard rollators. Sitting on it felt much more comfortable, especially for longer rest periods during walks. The frame itself was durable and sturdy, which gave me confidence in its build quality. I noticed, however, that its bulkier design made it slightly awkward to maneuver through narrow spaces like doorways or crowded areas. When I tested it outside, the larger wheels handled uneven terrain better than the Vive, but I found that its weight made lifting it into the car a bit of a chore. While the Nova Zoom is a solid choice for users who prioritize comfort, the trade-off in size and weight might be a drawback for some.